Greetings. Welcome back to Pinball Help. What I'm going to go over today is a common technique for working on cleaning playfields. What we've got here is a pretty decently clean playfield that's been just wiped down and vacuumed, but it's still a little bit dingy. If we zoom in on some areas, you can see what I'm talking about. If you look closely here, you see there's a reasonable amount of dirt and grime in these little swirls from the ball and dirt. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a common technique to clean these playfields. One of the things that you want to avoid doing is using a water-based cleaner on wood, because the wood will tend to soak up the moisture, and that can cause all kinds of problems with things peeling and cracking and swelling. So you want to usually use some kind of a solvent or an alcohol-based cleaner when you're working on cleaning these playfields. The most common thing to use is what's called a magic eraser. And here's a generic version of it you can get from Rite Aid, Erase Away. And it comes in these, it looks like it's basically just a piece of foam. And I don't know who discovered this, but somebody just rubbed some stuff with it at some point. You know, it was probably packing material, and they discovered, hey, it can remove things. And it is very odd that it works, but it does. It's like a very ultra-fine abrasive. So I take this, and I take some scissors, and I cut it off into little pieces like this. So you got a nice little thing to work with. And then you take some alcohol, 91% or higher alcohol, and put a little bit of alcohol in the patch on this little magic eraser, and you just kind of work it. You know, you don't want to apply a whole lot of pressure to it. You want to just do it lightly, and you'll see that it really does work wonders. And you look at the junk that it's picking up, and this will really bring back some color and some life to the playfield. And as always, you want to test. Make sure that try it on a little spot that's not visible in the middle of the, you know, somewhere off to the side before you do something conspicuous, just in case whatever is on your playfield doesn't react the same way. But you can see here, just light, and you see the swirls here, and then they're gone here. I can zoom in a little bit. And it works quite well. And you can see all of the junk that it's picked up. You want to definitely clean the playfield a little bit, wiping it down beforehand. But the magic eraser alcohol trick works nice. It'll bring a lot of color back to the playfield, and then you want to clean it, wipe it down, and wax it. So this is mainly for just regular painted playfields. If Mylar is over the top, I'm not sure the magic eraser would make much of a difference there. There's other ways of cleaning that. But for traditional playfields, the magic eraser thing works quite well, and it'll definitely bring some of the old color back, and it'll take out those swirls. And you just want to do it lightly. Check to make sure it's not removing anything that you don't want removed. And there you have it. Another little tip. Visit pinballhelp.com. Give me your feedback and comments. I certainly appreciate it. Thanks for listening and watching.